Hello everyone, my name is Samira. Please feel free to click the red button under my video to subscribe, like, and comment. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch. You can also share my video with your family members. Please ask them to also watch my videos to the end. It's another way for you guys to support my channel to grow, guys. Kindly turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Be the first to see it and watch also, guys. So guys, I went to the market. Guys, things were very expensive in the market, and I love beautiful things, so I was able to also get some things from the market, but things was very expensive, guys. How you guys coping, guys? So I was able to lay my hand on one of two things, one of two items, like I was able to bought some beautiful materials that I'm going to use for my tutorials, and I'm going to share these beautiful fabrics with you guys. So I'm unboxing my beautiful new fabric that I bought from the market. So it's going to be a fun day, guys. So I bought some lovely mercury fabric that I'll be using for my tutorial. Very beautiful. And I also bought some plain Duchess material, also very beautiful ones. I bought them also. And I also bought some floral materials also. These items I'll be using them, this fabric I'll be using them for my tutorial. So I want you guys to get familiar with this fabric. Alright, very beautiful fabric, but they're on the hard sides, I must say. So guys, don't forget that this video is for you to see some of the items that I bought from the market, the fabric that we'll be using for our video, for our tutorial, guys. And I want this channel to grow, guys, and we can do it together. I want it to grow this December, so I need your support by watching all my tutorials to the end. That's the only way I can succeed here. We can do it together, guys. So always watch my videos to the end. Like this particular one, you can also watch it to the end. So guys, you need to keep a date with me. My long videos is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, guys. So you need to keep a date with me, and please watch them to the end. So I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So guys, you can also check my other video that I have on my channel, guys. Please, you can do that now, guys.